Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and today I'm going to make a bubble technique that is for kids in school. And I was thinking that maybe it can help me to add watercolor effects in cars. And I add soap. I know these things, whatchamacallit, open, but I didn't want to open because I need little liquid and I don't want to be so deep. And I add watercolor, liquid watercolor, and I add soap and water, and I'm going to mix this all together. This color is gray. It looks black, but it's gray. I'm going to leave in the description the colors that I use for this, and I'm going to blow bubbles. I don't care if they stay as a bubble in the paper or it's just burst and I have just a splat, sorry. And sorry, you're going to see my head every time I blow a bubble. Also, I'm going to do the same thing in blue, but I don't going to put you through that torture to see my head going back and forward to blowing these bubbles. When you finish blowing the bubbles, just grab a piece of paper and pat in all the paper. Don't rub, just pat, and dry with a blow dryer or embossing tool. I use the blow dryer for this, but you don't have to dry it very well, just a little bit, and then add your blue or a different color that you want. Maybe you want a pink sky or I don't know, green, I don't know, whatever color you want to use. I did this with watercolor. I am not using watercolor paper. I'm using Nina Solar White 80 pounds, but I believe in watercolor it will be a little bit better, or maybe a lot better, but just experimenting here. I'm also going to add about the same color of the blue. I try to pick about the same color of the blue that I add in the bubbles to do the borders of the car panel. And I also going to add, sorry about that, I'm also going to add splashes in white acrylic. A lot of splashes, not a lot, but yes, bigger, small splashes in. I don't do this in camera because every time I do this in camera, my camera gets splashes, my computer, everything. Then I go into a part of my room where I can do this without the risk of damage anything with a lot of these splashes. I'm also going to use this that is like pearlescent spray. It's going to give the car like a pearlescent effect, like a blizzard, something like that, and it's going to look very cool. I think it's going to look very cool. I was bored the other day and I stamped and I colored this with my copy markers. I don't do it in camera often because I am not an expert on color on copy, and then you can find many videos about coloring with markers in YouTube. I also trying to decide if I want more like pow effect or more mute effect, and I decide that I want to go for the pow, and I get the hot pink. And using this scallop frame, well, it's going to be a frame because I'm going to add the top of the car that we just did on top of this, and I also going to glue everything together. You will see that I just use a normal, well, it's a normal white glue, but it's like for book binding I use because it is grabby and it dries very fast. I glue everything together, and after that I'm going to add I'm going to tell you, but I'm going to add, sorry, I'm going to add the glitter accents from NUVO. Yeah, glitter accents, fresh snowfall, and I'm going to add it in all the roof and all the trees that have snow, except for the big hill of snow and the snowman. For the snowman, I will leave it like that. I don't even add glitter or anything. But in the snowbank, the hill, I'm going to add just a wind costera. Very fast, a little bit of glitter here and there, and that's it. I adding the NUVO drops clear for this one because I want the little ornaments to have dimension. When I'm finished adding the wind costella, I let everything to dry because everything is still wet here, and sorry, still my hair in the camera. I don't know why I put my camera all the way to the back, that I have to push my paper in the middle of my table, and I am still showing my hair. Well, I make a tiny snowflakes, and I'm going to put them in the sticker maker, and I'm going to press them very well, go around. I don't know what is that tool is called, but I know I have a rounded point. And after that, I'm just going to glue the snowflakes. I don't going to add anything else, not even a sentiment, because I think I left space in the snow hill to add the sentiment, or maybe you just want to add the sentiment on the inside of the car. It's for that I didn't do anything, because I normally, like I said this a million times, normally when I make a car, I most of the time don't add sentiments, because I add the sentiment when I'm going to give the car away, or when somebody get it from me or buy it from me, I will put the sentiment they want. I normally don't sell my cars or anything that I make, but some friend of mine know that I make cars, and they from time to time come to my house and say, oh, I have a birthday, I have this and that, and can you help me with that? Well, this is my card for today. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching my videos. Until next time.